Hello everyone, welcome to week 18 of CIT15 at Fresno City College. This is our final week of the semester. This is finals week. It's our last week of this class. And the first thing I want to go over is when is the deadline for the class. And so the deadline for the class, if you're taking it this semester, let me show you where you find the deadline for the class. You go into the syllabus because sometimes these videos are used for more than one semester. So you go into the syllabus and you scroll down through the syllabus until you come to the place where it says late work. You have until the class ends to complete all work in the course. The class ends so this semester the class ends December 11th, 2020 at 8 a.m. So that's the final deadline for getting all your work in. If you're in a different class, if you're taking this class a different semester other than December 2020, maybe this video is being used for a couple of semesters, you need to go into the syllabus and you need to find this deadline for the class. That's the final date by which you have to have all your work turned in. So make sure you get all your work done, get it all turned in by then. What do you need to do? You need to do everything in Canvas and you need to do everything in My IT Lab. All of the exams, including the final, is in My IT Lab. So you could take everything more than once. You could resubmit assignments again, and the computer will keep your most recent score. So if you don't like the score you got the first time, take it again and see if you get a better score. All right, so it's been a pleasure to have you in this class. I know that for those of you who did the work, I'm talking to you because you're watching this video, you've learned a tremendous amount. You've gained some great skills. And these are skills that are going to serve you for the rest of your life. Knowing how to use computers well is a very important skill, and everything we do today is dependent upon computers. So having some understanding of how they work and how to work with them well, it's a good use of your time to have learned this material in this course this semester. So I commend you for learning this material, and I also commend you for being a student and for forwarding your life and for taking steps and putting in the effort to improve your life. So you are on the right path. You are on a good path. It's a tried, tested, and proven path to making a better life. So just keep going to school. Don't quit. Don't give up. That's the secret, is to have grit and to be persistent and to just keep going. And if you do that, that's the number one factor which correlates with student success. And so you just got to keep showing up and keep doing it, and you're going to get somewhere. So good on you, as the Australians would say. Good for you. I'm proud of you for what you've accomplished, and I encourage you to continue on with your journey in school and keep going until you get your bachelor's degree, your master's degree, and even your doctorate, because you can do it. You can do it. All right, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for joining me in this class. As always, if you have any questions or need any help, we have a fantastic tutor in this course. And in the email where I tell you about this video, I'll include a email address to that tutor. So you can reach out to that tutor if you need some help. And if you still need help, of course, you can reach out to me. All right. Have a great winter break. Stay safe. And, there's a lot to be thankful for. So look around at everything we have to be thankful for, because it's easy sometimes to get a little bit overwhelmed by the challenges. But it's also important to remember all the blessings. So have a great holiday, and maybe see you in one of my future classes. Bye.